yun lang yung dinala namin toward the fourth quarter. Then plus syempre yung the leadership of our best player today, si Josh. Sometimes we're arguing of some things, but still, he's a professional. He give us this win for tonight. So yun lang yung talagang tulong-tulong lang. We're just working it together. At the same time, we're just playing it as a team.
Coach, you won 2 out of the last 3 games. Gano'ng malaking bagay sa inyong team na consistently nananalo na kayo after that slow start?
Yes, no, yun lang, because siguro it's the attitude of our players. It started in the practice. So how they push themselves in the practices, our practices. Okay, sometimes that kumbaga nag-overtime kami for sometimes we practice 3 hours to 2.5 hours, so just to have this to have a good game. So yun lang yung attitude lang ng mga bata kasi they're fighting for gusto nilang manalo every time. Even in practice, if you can watch our practice, they kumbaga halos sila kung paano sila mag-challenge to each other. So yun yung nagiging factor sa amin.
Okay, Coach, congratulations. Coach, ano naman sabi ko sa defensive record ni Marco Mega at ni Sanggalamon, Robert Lapse, talagang mabigat yung trabaho nila ngayon.
Yes, so we play against a giant player and a talented player, NBA caliber player. So ang billing ko lang sa kanila is number 1 is to hindi nila kaya sa bigat Kumbaga, yung talent ni Apsho, hindi nila kaya. So, yung challenge lang na madepensahan nila, makulit lang nila, okay, mapisikal lang nila ng konti. Yun, kahit papano, napagpalit-palitan namin kay Paulo at saka kay Denver, plus even Ato Ular, play good defense on Apsho. So, yun lang, talagang tulong-tulong lang kami towards this game. Kahit papano, naging maganda naman yung resulta.
So, you pick up your offense in the second half and you also get the 4-point shot, a crucial one. Talk about your offensive performance, backing up the team's collective effort on the defensive end.
Just want to be aggressive. First half, I kind of was settling for jump shots a little bit. Coach told me to be aggressive, so I just got to the free throw line a lot and just kept attacking and just stayed aggressive. I think that was the difference. First half, I really wasn't too aggressive going to the basket, but second half, I made that change and just picked up the aggressiveness. That was about it.
Coach mentioned about sometimes you're arguing with yourself. So
Yeah.
Just elaborate on that.
I'm just passionate. I just care. I just want to win. That's it. Something I care about. It means winning means a lot to me. So, I'm just a passionate player. That's it.
Just good evening. Just how do you go about being the new leader of this team after previously having Arvin, Tolentino, and then Calvin?
Just trying to lead by example. Trying to do the right things on offense and on defense, and just like I said, leading by example, trying to do the right things. That's how my style of leadership. And sometimes I might come off aggressive, but it's all basketball. It's all passionate play. That's it.
Coach, good evening. Si Kate Flores Diaz.
Yeah, Kate, actually, Kate practice as yesterday, has a good practice, but eventually, kumbaga nung dinner time nila, nagkaroon siya ng food poisoning. So sayang, we miss him, but we offered this game to him. He texted me before going to the game na, actually nasa first group siya So sabi ko, just pahinga ka, then just take a rest, and we offered this game for him. Thank you.